Good morning. This is your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. Seeing some mostly sunny skies out there this morning with some slightly cooler temperatures as a cold front pushed through the area yesterday, and we'll see slightly below average temperatures as we move through the day today before things start to moderate as we move into the next couple of days. But overall, high pressure will be in control for the next couple of days, so looking at fairly quiet weather. We'll start to see some slightly breezy southwesterly winds as we move towards the middle portion of the week. Take a look at the current surface analysis. We can see that front that pushed through the area yesterday now well off to the southeast, and we'll see high pressure slowly building in the area today and lingering before moving off to the east as we get towards the middle of the week with another cold front and strong upper level trough diving into the eastern part of the country. Current conditions this morning, just seeing a few clouds around 25,000 feet, winds out of the west-northwest at around 8 knots, temperature 33 degrees, relative humidity is at 63%. Let's take a look at the current visible satellite. We can see those high clouds mainly off to our north and northwest. We'll see those generally expected to dissipate as we move through the morning, but can't rule out seeing some scattered high clouds around the area as we move through the morning before things start to become mostly sunny to mostly clear as we move into the afternoon time frame. We'll take a look at the high resolution model for what we can expect. As mentioned, high pressure going to build in over the area today. Keep those winds on the lighter side. We'll see those winds shifting more southwesterly, and that's going to help to moderate things as we move into the coming days. But dry conditions expected with high pressure in control as we move through the evening time frame with just a few high clouds around. We'll see mostly sunny to partly cloudy conditions as we move into our day tomorrow. We'll see a slight breeze pick up through the day. Does look like we'll stay below that wind advisory criteria. Will be a warming breeze with temperatures starting to moderate. We'll see temperatures climbing back to slightly above average for our high on Tuesday. And we'll see clouds on the increase as we move overnight Tuesday into Wednesday as the steady breeze continues. And we'll see that upper level trough I previously mentioned starting to dive into the eastern part of the country, and we'll also see some coastal troughing off the east coast as we move into the start of the day on Wednesday. It does look like we'll stay dry through the day on Wednesday. Continue to see some slightly breezy southwesterly winds and an even slightly milder day with temperatures quite a few degrees above average into the potentially mid-50s as we move through the day on Wednesday. But again, still expecting dry conditions. We'll see a very slight chance maybe a rain shower late Wednesday, more so into the evening time frame as that coastal trough, maybe even a weak low pressure develops. But it does look like that's going to stay off the coast, but can't rule out maybe a shower from that activity. And then the trough itself off to the northwest and the front associated with that will have the potential of bringing some precip more towards the early morning hours of Thursday morning. So looking dry as we move through at least the working hours of Wednesday. We'll take a look at the 24-hour weather chart for today. As you'll see, we're looking at green conditions through the next 24 hours. We're going to see our high temperature peaking around 44 degrees this afternoon, so slightly below our seasonable high of 47. But we'll see plenty of sun as we move through the day today, and we'll see those winds generally shifting more west to southwesterly as we go into the afternoon time frame, staying right around 6 to 11 knots. Then we'll keep a slight breeze out of the southwest as we move through the overnight time frame before it starts to weaken a bit more as we get into the start of the day on Tuesday. As mentioned, just expecting mainly a few clouds around at the upper levels, around 25 to 20,000 feet. And we will see those temperatures start to bottom out right around 31 degrees, so fairly seasonable as that southwesterly wind helps to keep that a bit milder as we move into our Tuesday morning. Tide's running about a half a foot below normal this morning, and as we look at our Tuesday, we'll see mostly sunny to partly cloudy conditions. As mentioned, we'll start to see some slightly breezy conditions during the afternoon as that high moves out of the area, and that will be a milder wind with our high expected around 50 degrees for our Tuesday. Green conditions for our weather risk, again, a couple degrees above our seasonable high, and we'll keep things mild as we go into Tuesday night as we have an addition of some partly to mostly cloudy skies and a steady breeze, so it's going to keep those temperatures from bottoming out too far, expecting a low around 39 degrees, and we'll see green conditions continuing into Wednesday, as we'll see partly sunny to mostly cloudy conditions We'll see that continued slightly breezy southwesterly wind. Going to see a high around 54 degrees. That very slight chance of an evening shower. Again, not looking very likely at this time. We can't completely rule that out. But we'll see those clouds building in as that trough moves into the area. It does look like the breezier day will be on Wednesday, generally looking below that wind advisory criteria at this time, so keeping green conditions as we move through our Wednesday. That's going to wrap up the 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. to take a look at the extended forecast. Enjoy your morning.